Good morning. Ooh, I like my haircut. Yesterday after work, I did went to the salon to trim my bangs because my bangs is long already, and now I like it. So I'm running out of time. I do work early today. I do open today. Let's make some coffee and get ready for work. Before I'm gonna go to work, I want to throw that pile of empty boxes to the trash. Still dark outside, but I'm gonna go ahead, throw this to the trash real quick, and I'll be back. The weather is so nice outside, especially early in the morning during summertime. It's just very nice weather. Perfect. Okay, coffee is done. And after this, I'm gonna make my coffee real quick. And after this, I'm gonna do my makeup real fast because I do not have time. And we're gonna go late again to work. A little bit of sugar. Konting-konti lang na sugar. Coffee. Now I make my coffee already, and I'm gonna do my makeup real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, done with my makeup, and now I need to finish my coffee real quick because I really don't have time. I have to go to work. Otherwise, I'm gonna be late. Late again. Nasa bahay na pala ako. Kanina pa. Ayan, nagpapatulak sa ila ng bike. Kanina pumunta ako sa, tawag dito, sa okay kasi naghahanap ako ng formal attire para sa interview ko. So, kanina, nung naka-lunch break ako, pumunta ako sa Goodwill. May nakita akong pantalon. Kaya lang, sobrang haba. Tsaka medyo malaki sa akin, maluwag. So, babalik ako sa store, isasama ko si Ayla. I-return natin yung pantalon, and then tingnan natin kung makahanap tayo ng pampalit doon sa pantalon na isusuot ko sa interview. Bago yan, inaantay ko yung grocery na ma-deliver para pag dumating na, punta na tayo sa store para i-return yung pantalon nga na hindi kasya. There's a squirrel. Ayla, look. A squirrel. May squirrel sa labas ng bahay. Ayun siya. Hindi siya takot, gustong lumapit. Oh.